Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be better. We will have solved exercise 5.5.1 completely. Now we are going to solve exercise number 5.2, in which we will have to discuss nth term. Which is nth term? Nth term means apart from first term, second term, third term, fourth term, every term will be the nth term up to infinity. So a plus a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 2d up to nth term will be n minus 1 by n minus 1. Nth term can be found y first term plus n minus 1. Means if there is fifth term is nth term, then it will be 4 because n minus 1 into d. So there is a table in which several information has been given, and I will have to solve the questions by these data. First, a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. We will have to find an. An means nth term, last term. Last term an is equal to, this is the formula. This is the formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3. 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Then the n will be 28. Next, second question. From the table, we have write down the data. A is equal to 18, d we will have to find, n is equal to 10 and an is equal to 0. Then the formula we know, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 18 and n is equal to 10 minus 1 into d. D we will have to find out. Then n is equal to 0. It is mentioned in the table. an is equal to 0. A is equal to 18 plus 90. 90 is equal to 12. Then d will be minus 18 by 9 and minus 2. And minus 2 answer. From the table, third number question, we will have to find a. D is equal to minus 3 and n is equal to 18. An is equal to minus 5. Now an will be a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to given minus 5. A is given. A we will have to find. N is equal to 18 minus 1 into minus 3 because d is minus 3. Now solve this. A plus 17 into minus 3. How much? A plus minus 51. A minus 51. Now A will be, here is minus 5, already minus 5. So this 51 will go this side. Then it will be plus 51. And 46 will be the answer. Now fourth question. From the table, A is equal to 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, and we will have to find n, and n is equal to 3.6. Now from the formula, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, it will be n is equal to 3.6 and a is minus 18.9 plus n minus n is given 3.6. So 3.6 minus 1 is 2.5. Oh no, this is the term first from the table, from the table, this is the from the table, fourth question, from the table 3.6. 3.6 is the n, and minus 3 is equal to d. Minus 3 is equal to d. Third, no, fourth, 2.5. 2.5. Here 18.9, n minus 1 in d is 2.5. When we solve it, 18.9 plus 2.5n and minus 2.5. Minus 2.5n minus 21.4. Now here is minus 18.9 and here is minus 2.5. When we will add this will be 21.4 and this is 2.5n. Now solving it, 2.5n is equal to 3.6. This and this will go another side, then it will be 21.4 is equal to 25. Then n is equal to 25 by 2.5 is equal to 10. This will be the answer. Fifth question, a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, n is equal to 105. We will have to find an. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is equal to 0. This whole term will be 0. This will be 3.5. n will be the 3.5 answer. This will be the answer. In this way, we have solved the question number 1, which is given in the table. Now we will have to solve question number 2. Here is question number 2. Choose the following choice. Question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 11th term. 11th term, how much? This is the term, this is the series, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 2, and so on. Answer is given, a is equal to 28. Second, b is 22, and c minus 38, and d for minus 48 whole 1 by 2. We know that n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Minus 1. This minus plus 6 is equal to 5 by 2. Now n will be minus 3 minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, 11 term, we will have to find out 11 term. 11th minus 1 into 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 10, 5 by 2. 2 5 is 10. Minus 33 plus 25. Answer will be 22. Right answer will be 22. This will be the right answer. This will be the right answer. Now, question number 3. Question number 2. Choose the correct choice of the following and justify. 38th term of the AP. AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. Then AN will be A plus N minus 1 by D. D is equal to how much? 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So we have found D will be minus 3. Now putting this value, A is equal to 10 plus 38th term minus 1 into minus 3. 10 plus 29 into minus 3 minus 87. Plus 10 minus 87 is equal to 77. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Minus 77. This is the answer. Right answer. In this way, we have solved question number 1 and 2. Now, we will go ahead for question number 3. In the following AP, find the missing term in the boxes. First, A is equal to, second term is missing and third term is 26. We know arithmetic mean is equal to 2 plus 26 by 2 is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. It is one method. First, second method, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 26 is the An. A is equal to first term is 2 and third term N. N is 3 minus 1 by D, 1 into D, 2 plus 2D. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2 is 24. Now D is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Then first term is 2, second term will be A plus D. D is how much? 12. 2 plus 12, 14. This is the missing term of the question, in the question, missing term. This is the missing term. Third term is 2 plus 24 is 26. So 14 will be the missing term which we will have to found. We have found the missing term. Okay. Now the third question is 5 block 2 term is missing. First term is given and fourth term is given. We know that An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is equal to given 9 whole 1 by 2 is equal to 19 by 2 is equal to A plus fourth term. So 4 minus 1 into D. First term is 5, 5 plus 3d. 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5, 19 minus 10 by 2, 9 by 2. Finally, d is 3 by 2. We have found d is equal to 3 by 2. Now the second term will be 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 3 by 2, 13 by 2 is equal to 6 whole 1 by 2. And third term will be 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is the d. Then 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So finally, first term is 5, second term 6 whole 1 by 2, third term is 8, and fourth term is given 9 whole 1 by 2. Now, fourth question. In fourth question, a is given -4 and an is equal to 6. Then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 6, a is equal to -4 plus 6 minus 1. 6 is the last term, nth term. So 6 minus 1 into d, -4 plus 5d. 5d will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and d will be 2. Now we will calculate the missing term. Missing term is, first term is -4, second term -4 plus 2 because d is equal to 2, -2, third term is 0, fourth term -4 plus 4. Third term, and fourth term is -4 plus 3 into 2, -4 plus 6 is equal to 2, which is given. No. Four terms we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms we have. Find out now. Now sixth term is given. Sixth term equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. It is given. So n is equal to 6. Now in this way we have solved all the 5 questions of question number 3 of question number 3. Rest, there are 20 questions in this chapter, in this exercise. So we will solve it in my next video. You are requested to share the video, like the video, and subscribe my channel. This channel is made for those people who is unable to pay the highest charges of coaching and tuition. So this video has been made, and I will request you to share this video among your friends, so that they would go get benefit, advantage from this video. Thanking you.